Hello.
Yeah.
So the day has come. It's the day before. We're finally going to tell you where we're going.
You and I.
Okay, y'all. The day is here. It's me and Em. So Logan knows we're going somewhere, but she doesn't know where we're going. So we're about to go break the news to her. We're really freaking excited. So let's go.
Okay, here we go.
I'm scared. So she has no idea where we're going, and I think she's gonna be super, super excited. So let's go break the news to her. Hello.
Yeah.
So the day has come. It's the day before. We're finally going to tell you where we're going. So on 3, Em. 1, 2, 3. Nashville! We're going to Nashville! Oh God, where's she going? Oh, she got her going! We're going to Nashville! Let's go! Now we're running to arcade. Oh my God, I never laughed so hard in my life. I brought like 3 black dresses. You'll be fine.
Any of them slutty?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, no.
Mom, if you're watching this.
Oh crap.
I'm over it. Here, we're here.
Just do a shot of Patron when you get to the hotel, you'll be fine.
There we go.
Oh my God, is it gonna shut? I don't know. Oh my, yes. What? How? I'm sorry, how?
Where is this going? In the front seat?
How did that happen? Oh my God, it's not. This is great. I love life. This is great. One of our luggages is fitting in the car. She just got an Uber. It's really okay. Tip stop. Okay. Someone dropped their tomatoes. Someone dropped their tomatoes.
Logan?
Logan, okay, no.
I'll bring it up. I'll bring it to the front here. No one trusts me.
No, we don't. Okay. So this is the current situation here.
Hi. Am I turning
We are all
you are turning
stuffed
left.
in here. Because, oh my God, I keep putting the window down. It's raining. Ah! It's currently raining. We're all stuffed because our luggages are just stuffed in here.
1.1, you're turning left.
We went grocery shopping. We got alcohol and stuff, so it's pretty crammed in here.
You guys wanna get a
my
mattress?
camera.
I think we have room for one more. Do we wanna
Oh,
get one?
of course. Who wants to join?
Newman?
He said, do you love me? I told her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama. I'm sorry.
Put it over your head.
When you can finally stretch your legs.
God, they're not gonna listen.
I think we'll be okay.
You won't. I just want to read how to unlock the thing.
No, you won't. 9 minutes. You won't.
Oh my God. You have 30 seconds.
Right there.
Right there. Straight across. We did it. We did it.
I wasn't expecting this.
It's cute, right? Yeah. Don't be sad.
Why do people love me so much?
Because I love myself, okay? That made no sense. We're at Hattie B's right now. The line is like crazy. But, you know, we're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait outside and we're gonna just sacrifice. Hello. I saw you out of the corner. I hope you don't put that in. Okay. We got him! Show the cam. There he is.
Okay. Oh.
Sorry, Anna.
Hey, no peeking.
But you could really see it.
Stop. What? Cute.
Why are you
I'm
laughing?
gonna be a second.
Do you know what it is?
Are you kidding?
Kylie.
I have like 2 for $20, so I got you.
Oh my god. Again.
This one's obviously for me. Oh yeah. The nice wrapped. We need some.
Alyson.
I'm so excited. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm literally filming my outro right now. So I will see all of you guys tomorrow. Bye!